As the leaves start falling down and the shadows overtone, I can finally see you now. I see the fear inside your eyes, I see the pain in your smile. I can finally see you now.